Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa less spicy. To begin, remember that capsaicin is the chemical compound in chili peppers that causes the burning sensation. Our goal is to either dilute this compound, neutralize its effects, or balance it with other flavors. We will explore several effective techniques, from adding more mild ingredients to incorporating dairy or sweet elements. By the end, you will have a perfectly balanced salsa that everyone can enjoy, with just the right amount of kick. One of the simplest ways to reduce heat is by diluting the salsa. You can achieve this by adding more of your non-spicy base ingredients, such as extra ripe tomatoes, sweet onions, or even some roasted bell peppers. Consider incorporating about 1/2 cup of mild canned diced tomatoes or a 1/4 cup of corn or black beans. This increases the overall volume of the salsa, spreading the capsaicin across a larger quantity and naturally lowering its intensity. Capsaicin is fat-soluble, meaning it dissolves in fats and oils, which helps neutralize its burning sensation. Try stirring in 1 or 2 tablespoons of full-fat sour cream, plain yogurt, or even a small amount of cream cheese. Alternatively, mash in about 1/4 of a ripe avocado. Its healthy fats will absorb some of the heat while adding a delicious creaminess. A teaspoon of olive oil can also help bind to the capsaicin. Balancing the flavors with sweetness or acidity can also effectively reduce the perception of heat. A small amount, perhaps 1/2 to 1 teaspoon, of sugar, honey, or agave nectar can help mask the spiciness. Similarly, a squeeze of fresh lime juice or a splash of apple cider vinegar, about 1 teaspoon, will brighten the flavors and cut through the intensity. These additions don't remove the capsaicin, but they make the salsa taste less spicy by creating a more harmonious flavor profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.